Recently, the Indian Prime Minister has participated in G7 countries summit in Italy, which are presided by the Italian government. So, what is the importance of G7 country in Indian perspective, in Indian respects? How we can take advantage of G7 countries? What G7 countries can do better for Indian economy or Indian strategic policy or Indian respects. So there is lots of meanings. So there is lots to discuss about on that issue. So today we are going to talk about importance of G7 country and what is the present situation of G7 country, how much importance of G7 countries in Indians perspective, in respect to world perspective. So there is multi-dimensional meanings about G7 country. So we are today going to talk about G7 and with respect to Indian scenario. So G7 country was founded in 1975. Before 1975, we see in 1973 there was crisis of oil and crisis in European Union. At that time, European Union was not founded, but European country was facing some critical condition at the time of 1973 during this era because oil and like these crude oil petroleum products now getting the importance day by day because new technology and car and electrical vehicles come into the world, so importance of petroleum products has started. So at that time there was a crisis of oil. So these seven countries groups and the member, they decided to create a kinds of groups that could make better for their economy, that could make better for their importance in the world scenario. So they decided and founded uh, G7 country in 1975. This year, this is a 15 edition, and I think that India's this is 10 to 11th participation. So G7 country is group of country where Italy, Japan, USA, UK, European Union, France, Germany, and Canada. This is group of G7 country. PGI. What is the meaning of PGI? So PGI means the Partnership of Global Infrastructure and Investment Initiative. What is the meaning of this? Meaning that they are collaboration with in area of infrastructure, in area of investment, now they are creating new initiative. How can they make better economy? How can they make strategic importance in the world era? So this is PGI, partnership of global. What is the global? Not in a very particular, not this is related to very particular area, not this is related to very small teeny area. This is large, this acquire the large scenario. So investment, because this is a very gigantic country, there have much more amount of money, there has much more amounts of uh, all the things, because they are a very rich country in terms of all area. So PGI is related to this. G7 country is known for its value driven economy because USA, if you we look at the importance of USA, so at this time USA is very bigger country, very biggest country in the whole world. So USA, Japan known for its technology and all the area new initiatives. So Japan is known for technology. UK is very ancient country in terms of all the area, so its importance of UK is also very big. Germany, This is a very huge economy in terms of purchasing power parity and in terms of net. France France is culturally known for its culture, and Italy is also known for its culture. Canada Canada is, at this time we can say that at this time our relation with Canada is not in good terms, not in our favor. But overall, these six countries, except Canada, we have very friendly relationship with these countries. G7 country, when we talks about, so then we think that 60 100 billion dollar they acquire in terms of commercialization, commerce respect. When we talk about 1600 billion dollar they wanted to circulate in the economy. Support and promotion, this G7 country support and promote to each other, so that's is important of G7 country. So this is importance of G country. India very well know about the G7 country, importance of G7 country. So in 2023, during the G7 G20 country, which are presided by India in 2023. So India is started new initiative. What is the new initiative? IMEC. What is the IMEC? IMEC is full known that India Middle East European Economic Corridor. What is India Middle East European Economic Corridor? Now this economic corridor is, you can say that, tackling with China's economic corridor. So India started this IMEC in Delhi, and in support of this economic corridor, UAE, this is Arabian country, USA, this is big economy, Italy, it's known for culture, France also known for culture, and Germany for technology and manufacturing. So they have, all these countries have promoted and admire India, and promoted and giving assistance to create this IMEC. What is the IMEC? IMEC is comprehensive transportation in area of road development, in area of ship development, in area of airways development. Through the roads, we can say, during the ancient time there was silk trade. That's why China get bigger and bigger economy at that time. So India is also thinking about like that matter. So that's why India started this initiative IMEC. Rail network, road network, transport, sea route. So these are some, yeah. IMEC always support to infrastructure, because when we talk about any country in the world, if they have developed economy, if they are developing, so infrastructure is big things. Infrastructure is key role to get success in very short period of time. Look at the China, because China is known for its infrastructure. Within very short period of time they created a large amount of infrastructure in China and over the seas. Japan, USA, and France, they are very economically higher, and also they have very big and very sustainable infrastructure. That's why India known the importance of infrastructure, and we decided to create, and this is importance. Through the IMEC, we have created Lobito, Luzon, and Middle. This is three types of corridor: Lobito corridor, Luzon corridor, and Middle corridor. What is the Lobito? Lobito is from Angola to Angola is a African country, and coastal area of Atlantic. So this relates to this Lobito. Luzon, Luzon is a Iceland of Philippines, because highest number of people, Philippines people, they dwells here in Luzon. In terms of population, in terms of area, we can say that this Iceland is bigger. So this initiative uh, will go till the Luzon, Great Middle East. So through this IMEC corridor, we have created Great Middle East corridor. Through the Great Middle East corridor, we can reach up to the African country. We can reach up to the Asian country. We can reach up to the some African country. So these three corridor makes big importance in Indian perspective. India and African country both are facing this time desertification, because desert is creating day by day in large amount. So India and African country now they have created green wall project. India has created green wall project in Arauli and Rajasthan desert area, Thar desert, and African country have decided to create a green wall belt. Green wall belt means wall of tree. The sand, the, they combat the desertification with through the great green wall project. They will reduce desertification. So India is also facing. So in Sahara area, we can when we look the Saharan region of the country, I think that 7 to 8th country dwells in Saharan area, Saharan desert. So they are facing desertification at this time. This is very crisis. This is very critical things for these country, means Saharan country. Enhancing the AI governance. At this time, the importance of technology, the importance of AI is getting bigger and bigger day by day. So if any country, if any people are apply AI within a very respected manner, within a very circulated way, so there is chances that you can enjoy and you can sustainable development uh, create. So what is the importance of G7? So G7 country, I think that 16% of wealth of the whole world they have. This is the importance of G7 country. 46% of GDP of the whole world they have, and 10% of the population of the whole world dwells here in G7 country. So there is a big importance of G7 country. That's why India has participated and India had decided to make IMEC corridor. This G7 country is strategically very important for Indian perspective, because India now diamond ring policy has created by China. So China's diamond ring policy, we have created this initiative and counter attack the China's this diamond corridor policy. We have created this. India addressing European crisis. I think that 10 to 10 to 20 days before, French President Emmanuel Macron has said in very sad manner that the importance of European country has now get lesser day by day, because its culture, its environment, its economic well-being, all these things of deteriorating, all the things are decreasing day by day. There is all types of discrepancies in this area. So they feeling very bad. So they advise the people of European Union that if we not look about this crisis, so with the passage of time we will face a kinds of critical situation. So this is importance of G7 country. And there is some other importance of G7 country, that G7 countries has a very defense infrastructure, because when we look at the USA, so USA has a very trillion economy of defense they expend. So this is importance of G7 countries. That's why India has created a partnership with these countries. Defense infrastructure, defense independency. This is very key to success for any country. If you are defense, if you have a defense and your defense mechanism is very in a strong way, so there is chances that you can enjoy the whole world. Economic infrastructure, all these seven countries have very big amount of economic things, so that's why India has making a very well relationship with these country. Diverge approaches, because when we look at the Japanese, say, so they have a kinds of a keenness to work of job. They have kinds of always they want to do something new. They enjoy very in very short period of time all the things in a very proper and regulated manner. So this is importance of China. Like these Asian, some European country, France, Germany, they have also the same quality. USA is totally different. We know this. Domestic political turmoil in the in this era, where the modern we can this is post modern era. So in this post modern era, all the country are facing a political turmoil. India is facing, Pakistan has political turmoil, China has also political turmoil, but we not know because there has some kinds of restriction on newspaper, so we don't have a good news, proper news. But there is turmoil in also in China. USA has also turmoil. Russia and Ukraine war. This is a very big issue at this time. So political turmoil in whole world. This is a very critical situation for the whole world, because this is important for Indian respect. Border dispute. When we look at the border dispute, we have dispute with China in Doklam, in Arunachal Pradesh, in Jammu Kashmir, Ladakh. So there is border dispute of India. There is border dispute of Ukraine and Russian country. So there is border dispute. There is border dispute of Pakistan and Iran. There is border dispute of America and Mexico. There is border dispute of some European countries. So border dispute in the whole world very critical situation. So we, through this initiative, we can solve political rivalry in the all area of the world. We can see this counter. We are through this IMEC project, we can counter attack the China all initiative policies which are against to India. So this is importance of G7 country. This is the importance of IMEC. With the passage of time, we will think that there is some kinds of new initiative we need to take. So there is a demand of time that through the very proper and critical analytical way, and create new kinds of initiative, and make proper relationship with our neighboring country, and make proper sense in the area of environment, in the area of uh, defense matter, in the area of infrastructure, in the area of political turmoil. So there is a need to collaboration with all area. So that's with this collaboration we can not only get up to the 5 trillion economy, but we can reach up to the 10 trillion economy in within short period of time. So this is importance of G7 country. This is importance of India, because India is a very third large country in terms of economic. Second country is purchasing poverty of parity PP model. So and large amount of we have markets. So and one of the greater I think that now recently we have seen that India has now get first country in terms of uh, population. So there is big potential for India to create its importance in the world through collaboration, through make good environment. We can get 10 to 10 5 to 10 trillion economy within very short period of time. So this is importance of G7 country, and this is importance of India.